Are you afraid of the piracy of video? VdoCipher is here to help you to protect your content from piracy. VdoCipher provides custom video player and video piracy protection solutions targeted towards e-learning, LMS, content creators, media, and OTT platforms. We have blocked 120,000 plus piracy attempts and identified 1,100 plus hackers or pirates in the last 6 months through our proprietary Piracy Blocker engine. 3,000 plus businesses globally have an additional $200 million in revenues by preventing piracy and increasing paid users. In this video, I will show you how to integrate MemberPress and VdoCipher to create a secure video membership site. MemberPress is an all-in-one membership plugin for WordPress. It's popular among businesses, content creators, and coaches for its features like paywall management, online course facilitation, community building, drip content, and coupon setup. These features make it perfect for managing memberships. Now, if you want to protect your videos from piracy, VdoCipher's secure video hosting is your go-to solution. It prevents illegal downloads and screen recording with advanced features such as DRM encryption, dynamic watermarking, and piracy blocking technology. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need a MemberPress plan. They don't currently offer a free plan, so you'll have to purchase one to get started. Once you have that, download the MemberPress plugin and install it on your WordPress website. I've already installed mine, so the next step is to activate the license. I won't go too deep into this because MemberPress offers extensive support documentation. You can simply visit memberpress.com and search for their setup guides. Now that MemberPress is ready, we can move on to installing the VdoCipher plugin. At the moment, I am in the process of installing the VdoCipher plugin. You'll want to search for VdoCipher, click on Install, and let it work its magic. We just need to wait a bit while it installs. Once it's done, go ahead and activate it. After activation, click on VdoCipher, and you'll be prompted to enter an API secret key. Head over to the VdoCipher dashboard, navigate to Security and Configuration, and click on API Keys. Next, click on Add API Key, and once you have your secret key, copy it. Then return here and paste it in. Don't forget to save your changes. There are various settings you can adjust here. For instance, you can set up dynamic watermarking. I'll demonstrate by adding a sample watermark configuration that displays the viewer's username, IP address, and email ID. Once you have everything set up to your liking, hit Save Changes again. Now, let's move on to creating a course in MemberPress. Go to the MemberPress Courses section, click on Add New Course, and assign it a demo title. I've just completed that. Next, click on Add Icon and navigate to the VdoCipher plugin. If it's not immediately visible, just search for VdoCipher. You'll find the block there, ready to be used. Next, you need to obtain the video ID from your VdoCipher dashboard for the video you wish to embed into this course. So simply grab the video, copy the ID, and let's head over to your WordPress website to paste it. I've got the video ID, copied it, and now I'm pasting it into the page. Finally, click on Save Draft, or you can choose to publish it and view a preview. As you can see, the video is now embedded here. The VdoCipher WordPress plugin is equipped with several essential features. A major highlight is its customizable video player, which allows you to tweak the player's appearance, colors, and controls to your liking. For example, you have the option to adjust the player's color scheme to better align with your website's theme. You can add or remove control options as needed. If you want, you can even remove the timeline to prevent users from skipping through the content. Another feature is the ability to change playback speed options. The plugin also enables you to set the forward and rewind intervals, among other capabilities. These custom themes can be saved and applied to individual videos. Alternatively, you can apply these themes across your entire account and WordPress site by using the theme's player ID. A significant security feature is the dynamic user-based watermark. Sample code is available, and the tutorial provides additional examples. The watermark feature allows you to display a user ID, IP address, or email ID on the video. It's fully customizable. You can control its speed, color, transparency, and frequency of movement. You can also decide whether the watermark appears throughout the entire video or just for a certain percentage. All watermark parameters are explained in detail in this tutorial, which you can access directly from here. A sample watermark code is provided too. One intriguing feature of the VdoCipher WordPress plugin is the ability to track user IDs for each video session through a simple toggle option. Enabling this feature lets us offer in-depth, user-based video analytics. This proprietary tool by VdoCipher is designed to enhance security and user engagement tracking. It allows you to monitor which user IDs have accessed the content. You can track individual user IDs to assess how many total hours they've watched, their average watch percentage, and interesting metrics like unique device and browser counts. In cases where users are involved in advanced piracy activities, you can identify these users, even if they are employing sophisticated piracy tactics like DRM breaking. Such tracking is achievable with a simple toggle option available here. These are the key functionalities offered by the VdoCipher WordPress plugin that you can leverage. Key security features include illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple FairPlay DRM protocols. Screen capture blocking in mobile apps. Screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites. User-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture in REST 30% cases. Proprietary Piracy Blocker and hacker identification engine to real-time detect advanced pirates attempting breaking DRM and block such users. Analyze 100+ user device parameters to identify top global hackers. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in-app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at the account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per-video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder-level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Explore user-based metrics like total watch time, unique device counts, and more for deeper audience insights. Finally, our Piracy Blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. With VdoCipher's live streaming platform, enjoy a suite of powerful features. Domain restriction ensures control over where your stream appears, and scheduling makes live event management easy. Enable chat options to engage with your viewers. Automatic recording saves every live session. Our API allows automatic stream start and stop with adaptive HD playback for a smooth experience. Multi-quality streaming adjusts based on viewer bandwidth, and DVR functionality lets them pause, rewind, and replay live broadcasts. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.